The farmers' protest has gotten bigger than what the farmers themselves would have anticipated. The protest in the recent days has grabbed international eyeballs, especially after pop singer Rihanna tweeted about the farmers' protest, and many international celebrities, including the young climate change activist Greta Thunberg, posted similar tweets. Later on the same day, the Indian government machinery kicked into action and it got various celebrities in India to speak against it. Same words at the same time with similar hashtags like India Against Propaganda and India Together, all slamming the international interference and calling farmers' protest India's internal matter. However, whether you agree or disagree with the farm laws, farmers have a right to be heard. The Supreme Court, while hearing a PIL filed to remove farmers from the protest side, said that farmers have the constitutional right to continue with the protest, unless, of course, it slips into violence. The farmers' agitation in the national capital, remember, is one of the most organized protests in the history, and it remained peaceful for up to 26th of January 2021. The farmers have been protesting since August last year against the 3 farm laws passed by the centre. Unable to get government's attention, the farmers decided then to peacefully march to the national capital. Since then, the farmers have been battling cold and difficult living condition at the border of the national capital to stage a fight. The farmers set up tents, makeshift shelters, community kitchens, they organized langars, distributed medical aid, organized health camps, and even set up their own gyms, published their own newspapers, and created their own social media handles. The protest was peaceful for 2 months, but it took a turn on India's Republic Day. Over 400 Delhi police personnel were injured after the tractor march in Delhi turned violent. One protester was also killed in an accident. The highlight of the confrontation, however, was when protesters climbed up the Red Fort and raised a Sikh religious flag on a pole. The day ended with violence and injuries to both the police personnel and the farmers. As many as 43 FIRs have been filed by the Delhi police in the matter, and over 122 people have been arrested so far. The farmers say that the protesters who went to the Red Fort and participated in the violence were in fact anti-social elements, and they were not farmers. The farmers were subsequently told to vacate the protest site. And that is when Bharatiya Kisan Union President Rakesh Tikayat broke in front of the media, calling people to support the farmers and support their cause. Following this, the protest once again gained momentum. The current situation, however, is alarming. The borders have been heavily barricaded and spikes have been inserted on the roads, cutting access of farmers, depriving them of internet and even toilets. This is exactly what Rihanna was trying to draw attention to. The Indian government, however, was quick to reply, asking celebrities to show restraint before taking to social media. One good, however, did come out of it. Farmers finally have our attention.